So I'm going to continue with our question 8 here. So what we have for question 8 here is figure 3.6 shows an arrangement of resistance R1, 3 ohm, R2, 2 ohm, which are arranged parallel to 12 volt battery ataupun power supply. Oh sebenarnya 15 ya. Because in the diagram given 15. So this should be 15 volt juga. I suspect this should be a typo here lah. Okay. As you can see, you have connected a voltmeter across resistance R2 here. So what can you get across this R2 adalah a potential across resistance 2 ini. You can get potential across this resistance 2, which indirectly means this is a potential divider across a total potential. So soalan ni adalah soalan on potential divider. So the question asks to determine the potential difference across R2. So kita nak tahu apa yang voltmeter ini akan baca lah. Basically the voltage across this R2. So using the potential divider equation, V across R2 akan sama dengan R2 divided by R total, which is R1 plus R2 multiply with V total kita. Okay, so your R2 is 2, 3 plus 2 multiply with 15. So you press your calculator, awak akan dapat bahagi 6, you should get 6 volt balik. Okay, so this is how you find the voltage across this resistance 2. Next, R1 is now replaced and calibrated with a variable resistance RV. Maksudnya dekat tempat R1 ni, kita buang ni, kita letak resistance baru iaitu variable resistance, where you can vary the value of resistance. So dia tanya, what would be the resistance RV if the reading of the voltmeter is 5 volt? Maksudnya sekarang voltage yang voltmeter ini akan baca bukan 6 tetapi 5 volt. So for it to read 5 volt, what should the resistance here be? Itu soalan dia. Sebab awak dah buang resistance 3 ohm tadi. Bila awak dah buang resistance 3 ohm, dia ada nilai resistance yang lain dekat sini. Nilai resistance yang lain ini is going to give out a new V here. Okay, so we are going to use the same equation, masih equation yang sama, because this voltage read across R2. So you are going to have V2 equals to R2, R, cuma sekarang R total kita adalah RV campur R2 darab dengan V total. Okay, R2 masih sama 2, RV is what we are looking for, plus 2, your V total is still the same 15. So now your voltmeter is going to read 5. So kita dah ada nilai V. Apa yang kita nak cari adalah RV dekat sini. So you do your max, rearrange, bawa 15 ke sini, bahagi, and then darab dengan denominator kamu, and then you can solve your max to get your value of RV dekat sini. So you should get 15 to give answer minus 2, 4 ohm. Awak akan dapat 4 ohm dekat sini. Okay. So dia masih menggunakan equation yang sama because we are reading across the same resistance. It's just that you calibrate it with a new variable resistance. Therefore, your voltmeter is going to give a new reading and the value of your variable resistance adalah 4 sekarang. Okay, next. Does the power dissipated by R2 increase, decrease or remain the same? Okay, R2 adalah R yang tetap tadi. Okay, so dia tanya does the power increase, decrease atau remain the same compared to the initial case. Initial case adalah when you have V2 kamu sama dengan 6V. Ini adalah case initial kamu. Okay, and then when you use variable resistance, you get your V2 as 5V. This is your final case. Okay, as you can see, what is constant here dekat sini adalah nilai R2 kamu. You did not change your R2 dekat sini. Okay, so in order to know what is the power, power akan sama dengan I square R ataupun IV ataupun V square R. Okay, since we know the value of V and R, we are going to use the equation V square R dekat sini. V square R. So, initial, waktu V kamu initial, R kamu constant. So, V initial kamu dekat sini adalah 6 volt square bagi dengan 2, dapatkan P initial kamu. Tekan calculator, 6 square 36 divide 2, dapat 18 volt. Then you find your P final pula. V final square, R constant. V final kamu adalah 5 square, 2. 25 divide 2, 12.5 volt. So you get this much. So as you can see, your power that is dissipated across R2 drop, iaitu decrease compared to the initial case. So kita boleh cakap P final is less than P initial. Therefore, the power dissipated by R2 decrease. Okay.